Hey guys, it's Sean here in my studio. Just going to give you a tip of the day from the world's next Picasso. Anyway, so one of the best ways to do your brush is for acrylic, use like a, what's that called? Dawn or one of those liquid dishwasher soaps. And then what you also want to use is after you're all completely clean, then use the Masters. That'll help really lengthen the length of how long your brushes are going to last. Another really good idea is if you got some really old brushes, they're really torn up, you think, I'm going to throw them away. Try this recipe. So the recipe is, so you heat it vinegar, boiling hot. Soak your brushes in it for an hour, and then you stir about every 20 minutes. So that'll kind of break it down, the remaining paint that's kind of caked in there. And then rinse the brushes, and then get Murphy's oil soap, which you use to clean wood floors, but you soak that in oil soap, mixed with water, of course, but pretty concentrated, not like a normal, what you'd use on the floor, but really concentrated with some water in it. And then leave it overnight. And then in the morning, rinse it out. And sometimes if the brush is just a little bit rough, which happens a lot with acrylic, it'll revive the brush. So you'll be able to reuse it, keep going. So that's my tip of the day, and you probably can do that with other brushes too, as if they get older and they're kind of more caked in there. You just definitely hit the vinegar and then Murphy's soap. All right, that's my tip of the day.